All right, so what you guys see here is our MFG40 access latch. We have one on the upper and lower portion of our access door. We have our MFG85 pull handle and our CE55 hinges. The MFG40 latches are Allen head and they are quarter turn or hex head, Allen head, whatever you want to call it. Then we have quarter turn latches and they can be placed anywhere on the door that you need. They are they have a cam style internal lock that as the handle or the latch turns, it squeezes into the door and compresses into your gasket right here. I've also made some templates that I 3D printed so you can easily mark your holes. I have these available upon request, and the way that this template works is you actually put it on the frame. I'll open this up. It actually goes on the frame right here because the latch is actually needs to be placed a specific distance from this flange in here so it will close correctly. And so this template goes on the internal edge of your frame here or here, wherever you're placing it. And then you would mark your panel. You have a center hole and then an upper and lower, and that's so your stopping points are lined up properly as the latch is turned. Something that you want to pay attention to is the location when you're putting these in the corner. You want to make sure that your hole is far enough down on the panel so that the door will properly open. And that's going to be same said for top and bottom. And so you can see the action of the handle as it, or as the internal portion of the latch as it opens. You can see that, but you want to make sure as you turn it that when you go to open the door, you have proper clearance on those particular locations. So to give you guys the some insight there, I put that hole about 2¼ inches down from the top edge of the panel. So 2¼ inches from the top edge of the panel gives you that amount of clearance, which is roughly about 3/16 to 1/4 inch worth of clearance. The template that I showed you will get you the proper distance from the frame's edge to this center line on the hole going away from the door catch area. But that distance down from the top of the panel is something that you have to consider when you're doing this. So you see how this is free and clear at the top. If you were to build a unit that had, say, a drain pan or something in the bottom, then you would need to make sure that this latch doesn't collide with drain pan or any other hardware or things you have going on beneath. So just some considerations when you are mounting your hardware and selecting the location for it.